this is your very spacious living room considering. So this is your very spacious kitchen where you is going to be your bedroom number 1, which is a master bedroom. Are you also looking for a project which has lifetime hill view, so you're surrounded in greenery in this hush push of the city and also a largest freehold land of Mumbai? So I have got you at the right place. Welcome to Serenity by Atul Projects located in Mulund West. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the developers. So buy your dream home directly with the builders, only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 9.6 acres with 4 towers, 2 levels of basement, ground, plus 5 levels of podium. 6 level is going to be your eco deck level and 7 to 47 is going to be your residential floors with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this very wonderful project has 100 plus amenities, which includes a 5 acres of central park. It also has multi-purpose court, gym, swimming pool and many more. So guys, as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of this project. This road leads you to the main road. Talking about the exact connectivity, so this project is located in Mulund Colony, Mulund West, with Mulund station at a distance of just 3 kilometers, upcoming metro station at a distance of just 1.5 kilometers, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 10 minutes, and GMLR at a distance of just 400 meters. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey की Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of their actual rights. For example, आपने कोई टोकन अमाउंट दे के कोई घर बुक कर लिया है बट अब आप कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं तो लीगली बिल्डर कितने पैसे डिडक्ट कर सकता है, आपका ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सेकेंडली, पोजेशन के बाद लीकेज या कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड कोई भी इशू आता है, सो हाउ मच लाइबिलिटीज डज द बिल्डर होल्ड? A lot of buyers are very much unaware of their basic rights and they just invest their money. So we have made you understand everything in very easy to understand and basic language in this series. So before buying a home, go through this series for your betterment. इस series का link आपको नीचे description box और ऊपर I button में मिल जाएगा. Now let me give you this 2 BHK sample flat tour within carpet area of 746 square feet. Come, let's go. As we enter, right here is your spacious foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space, and then to my left comes your kitchen. Come, let's go. Have a look at your kitchen. So this is your very spacious kitchen where you get 2 sides of parallel platform. A huge kitchen. I'm just walking around and showing you that it's quite spacious. And then right here comes your dry space for washing machine. Again, a spacious dry space, guys. And then you have half French window attached for ventilation. Right here where your platform ends is your double door refrigerator space. So everything is well taken care of in the kitchen. Now let's move ahead. As we go ahead, this is your very spacious living room. Considering the carpet area being 746 for a 2 BHK, this house is quite spacious, be it kitchen, be it living room. I'm just walking around and showing you. And then you get half French window attached for nice ventilation and sunlight in the house. Moving ahead, before going to the room, this is going to be your dining space. So a 4 to 6 seater of dining space can easily accommodate over here. Again, a quite spacious dining area. Let's go ahead. As I walk ahead, first comes your bedroom number 1. Come, let's have a look. So this is going to be your bedroom number 1, which is a master bedroom. So again, a quite spacious room. Just look at the space. Again, you get half French window for nice ventilation and sunlight. So this entire wall here is dedicated for your ventilation, for your window. And then this is going to be your attached washroom. Again, go have a look at the attached washroom, a spacious attached washroom which you get with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Let's go ahead. So now we'll be checking out the other room, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme and a 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Let's go. As we move ahead, right here is first your common washroom for your guest. So again, a spacious common washroom which you get with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And then right besides your common washroom is going to be your bedroom number 2. So this is your bedroom number 2. Again, a spacious bedroom. Not compact at all. I'm just moving around and showing you there's enough space in this room to place your bed, then this wall for wardrobe area, and right in front this whole wall dedicated for your window where you get half French window for ventilation and good lighting. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Serenity by Atul Projects located in Mulund. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.